morning students. In this video I am going to teach integration. As you know, integration is the very important, very most important portion of calculus. Before this one we have to finish differentiation. It was also important of calculus portion, but integration is the very most important more than differentiation. Why? If we will study very well about the integration, after that we can study in easy way of differential equation in calculus. Clear? Then first of all, what do you mean by integration? What do you mean by integration? I'm not going to tell very in depth, very simple form. Simple means, do you know differentiation? Differentiation, clear? And integration, clear? Any doubt? Good. Symbol of differentiation means what? D by dx of suppose any function. Suppose that we have to differentiate our derivative coefficient of any function, then d by dx of fx means this is a symbol. D by dx is symbol of differentiation, and fx is the quotient means function, means in which functions we have to differentiate with respect to this variable. This is symbol. Then what is symbol of integration? Integration is this symbol and here dx. Clear? Then whatever function is integrated, these functions will be the right between. Between means, suppose here fx. This is symbol integration of fx. Clear? With respect to x. Example here, suppose d by dx of y. Differentiation of y with respect to x. Here suppose y and dx. Here integration of y with respect to x, then integration of y. Suppose here d by dy of z. Differentiation of z with respect to y. Here suppose integration of z with respect to y. This is the meaning of this type. Clear? Very simple. This is a symbol of integration. Then we have to know this one here. This is symbol of differentiation. Understood? Then what do you mean by integration? Very simple. Very simple means integration is the inverse process. Inverse process of differentiation. Very simple, very simple definition. Don't confuse. Very short form. I'm telling integration is the inverse process. Inverse means reverse process. Clear? Inverse means what? Reverse. Reverse process. Clear? Of differentiation. It means therefore d by dx of suppose fx is equal to here fx, because fx is the answer of differentiation of fx. Then integration of this value, integration of fx is this answer will come. Therefore integration of fx dx is equal to what? fx. Clear? Either we can write here since. Clear? So d by dx of fx is equal to fx. Suppose this is the answer. Small fx is the answer of capital Fx differentiation of Then what is the integration of this value? This value will come. Understood? Then we can say, what we can say? Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Very simple. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Means d by dx of fx is equal to fx. Therefore, integration of fx is dx is equal to what? Fx. Understood? Then after that, going to write first of all, going to write all the differentiation formula. Already we have to finish differentiation because so many exercise are there. Then once more going to write, because when we learn, when we know about all the differentiation formula, then automatically we can remind, we can write, we can learn all the integration formula. Clear? I am going to write all the differentiation formula. Okay, write down. First of all, d by dx of x power n is equal to what? n into x power n minus 1. Understood? Second, d by dx of a power x is equal to what? A power x log of abc. Third one, d by dx of e power x is equal to what? E power x. d by dx of log of x base is equal to what? 1 by x. d by dx of log of x base is equal to what? 1 upon x log of abc. Understood? 6. d by dx of sin x is equal to what? Cos of x. d by dx of cos of x is equal to what? Minus sin x. d by dx of sin cos 10x is equal to what? Sec square x. d by dx of cot x is equal to what? Cos square x. And d by dx of sec x is equal to what? Sec x into tan x. And d by dx of cosec x is equal to what? Minus cosec x and cot x. I am not writing all the formula, differentiation formula, because in previous video means during the differentiation, so many formula I have given you, so many formula. Understood? Then I am writing few formula. For example, how we can say that integration is the inverse process of differentiation, means integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Clear? Then very simple. This is question, this is answer. Means differentiation of this function is this value will come. Therefore, integration of this value x power n will come. Means for differentiation x power n is the question, n into x power n minus 1 is the answer. Understood? But for integration, this answer is a question and this question is a answer. Then only very simple, integration of n into x power n minus 1 and here dx is equal to what? X power n. And one more things you have to learn. After integrating, we will add one constant number. Suppose here c. Clear? C is the what? This is arbitrary constant. In the place of c, we can write capital A, capital B, so many numbers depend on you. In the place of c, we can write capital A, capital B, C1, C2, depend on you. What c is the very simple for you. C means constant. Which type constant? Arbitrary constant. That's why after integration at last one, we will add c. Clear? One side, right side. Why? When we will find the differentiation of this value, same numbers will come. Then you can say this answer is the correct. Understood? X for n is equal to n into x by minus 1 integration this value n into x by minus 1 dx is equal to what? Same answer will come. Then now going to find differentiation of this value. D by dx of x for n plus c is equal to what? X for n means what? N into x for n minus 1. C means what? 0. Then n into x for n minus 1. You can see here. Same value will come. Any doubt? Okay, good. Then now suppose that we have to find the integration of a power x. A power x dx. Clear? This value, these numbers divide this side. What answer will come? A power x upon log of a b c plus c. Third value, integration of e power x is equal to what? This value will come e power x plus c. Integration of 1 by x is equal to what? Same numbers. Log of x by c plus c. Integration of 1 by x. Clear? 1 by x. 1 by x. Log of ABC is equal to what? Log of x base a plus c. And integration of cos x dx is equal to what? Minus sin x plus c. Now integration of sin x dx. There is minus, but I am writing plus. This minus multiply this side. Sin means what? Minus cos x plus c. Integration of sec square means what? Sec square f dx is equal to tan x plus c. And 9. Integration of cosec square dx is equal to what? Minus cot x plus c. Integration of sec x tan x dx is equal to what? Sec x plus c. Last one, cosec x and cot x dx is equal to what? Minus this side, here, cosec x plus c. Understood? Once more, very simple. You can see both of their formula. Then in differentiation of x for n is equal to this. What is the integration of x for n? X for n means we can write here integration of x for n dx is equal to what? X for n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here, very simple. Differentiation of x for n means this value. Integration of x for n means what? X for n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Why? For this one, in power, one numbers will be subtracted, but here one number will be added. Here multiply by n, here divide by n plus 1. Clear? Second one, differentiation of a power x is equal to what? A power x log a by c. Integration of a power x dx is equal to what? A power x upon log a by c. Differentiation of e power x is equal to e power x. Integration of e power x is equal to e power x. Differentiation of log x by c is equal to 1 by x. What is the integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log of x by c? Here, same. Only reciprocal, only reverse. Understood? Differentiation of log x by c is equal to what? 1 upon x log a by c. Then integration of this value means 1 by x log a by c is equal to what? Log of x base a. Differentiation of sin x is equal to what? Cos x. Therefore, differentiation integration of cos x is equal to what? Minus sin x. Clear? Then there is positive sign. That's why here also positive sign. integration of cos x is equal to what? Sin x. Why? Because in differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x. There is no negative sign, so we can't write negative sign. Now differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Now here integration of sin x is equal to what? Minus cos x. Differentiation of tan x is equal to sec square x. Integration of sec square x is equal to what? Tan x. Clear? Differentiation of cot x is equal to minus cos square x. Integration of cos square x is equal to what? Minus cot x. Differentiation of sec x is equal to sec x tan x. Integration of sec x tan x is equal to what? Sec x. Last one, differentiation of cos x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Therefore, integration of cosec x cot x is equal to what? Minus cosec x. Means so many other formula also we have, but according to exercise, according to chapter wise, according to questions, I will tell, I will give, I will write all the extra integration formula. This is not complete, okay? You only thinking only this much formula. How many formula you know about the differentiation? Only this much formula in integration also. This is only few formula I have written here. Remaining formula according to exercise I will write down. Now I think you are clear about integration. Very simple. Integration is the reverse process, reciprocal process, okay, of the differentiation. Then only we have to know the differentiation formula, then we can get automatically integration formula. Understood? And one more value, integration of any constant number is equal to what? Constant into variable. Clear? Constant into, suppose here k, you can write k also here. Here k means constant, as c means constant. K into dx is equal to what? K into x plus c. How? When we find the differentiation of this value, you can check here d by dx of kx plus c. K constant, d by dx of x plus c constant only 0, and this value is 1, then k. Clear? That's why integration of k is equal to kx plus c. Means whatever variables is there, same numbers right here. Suppose here k into dy is equal to what? K into y plus c. Suppose k into d theta is equal to what? K theta plus c. Clear? Means according to these variables we have to write down here. Understood? If x is there, write x here. Y is there, write y here. Theta is there, write theta is there. Whatever variable here, you write here. Understood? Now going to give example. Now I have written few example here. Going to tell. Question number 1, x cos 6 dx. Clear? First of all, we have to check in given questions what we have to do. Symbol, you see the symbol. This symbol is integration. X cos 6 means integration of x cos 6. Clear? X cos 6 means x is the variable and 6 is constant. X power 6 means x power n. Where is formula of integration for x power n? This is formula. X power n is equal to what? X power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Very simple. Means only we will put in the formula. Is equal to what? X power 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 plus c is equal to what? X power 7 by 7 plus c. Now this is answer. Clear? Now this is answer. Any doubt? Okay, good. Second question. A plus b sin x upon cos square x dx. See this question very carefully. Whatever question is there, given questions has to change into suitable formula. Clear? Suitable means we don't have formula of this question. This is trigonometrical ratio also here. We have only for trigonometrical cos x, sin x, sec square x, cos square x, sec x tan x and cosec cot x. Understood? 10 part also, but now here I have written sine cos sec square cos square sec x tan x and cosecant cot x. The first of all, with the suitable formula, suitable properties of calculation, we have to break. Break means what? In a numerator, two terms are there. First term, second term. In denominator, single term is there. Then now going to separate a upon what? Cos square x plus what? B into sin x upon what? Cos square x and dx. Now 1 by cos square x is equal to what? Sec square x plus sin by cos tan x 1 by cos sec x and dx. Clear? If in additions or subtractions two or more than two terms, we can write separate or we can do direct. Clear? Because so many chapters of exercise or differences already have to be finished. Now we should not confuse. Okay? No confusion about this one. A constant integration of sec square x dx plus B constant tan x sec x dx. Clear? It means if we have in differentiation constant into variable number means what? Living constant d by dx are variable number. Same things in integration also. Then living constant integration of variable number. Clear? Then here, what is the integration of sec square x? Sec square x is equal to what? You see here tan x. Then tan x. Clear? Plus b integration of sec x tan x. Sec x tan x. Sec x. Then sec x plus c. Are you understanding? Good. Then question number 3 here. Sin square x minus cos square x whole upon sin square x into cos square x and dx. Clear? First of all, we have to see the symbol. Symbol means this is an integration symbol. Now we don't have direct formula of this question. Therefore, now going to split, going to break into possible term. Sin square x upon what? Sin square x into cos square x dx minus cos square x dx upon what? Sin square x into cos square x dx. Sin square x cancel. Cos square x cancel is equal to 1 by cos square is equal to sec square x dx minus 1 by sin means what? Cos square x dx is equal to integration of sec square means tan x and cos square means minus cot x. A minus already here. Minus into minus plus and cot x plus c. This is a integration of this value, means answer of this value. Clear? In this way, we have to integrate of remaining function also, remaining question also. Then for integration, what is very important? Yes, formula is very important. Formula means not for integration, formula for differentiation, because integration based on differentiation means integration is the reverse process of differentiation. That's why we should learn the differentiation formula. After that, with the help of differentiation formula, we can do integration. Now going to give other example. Okay, now I'm going to tell integration by substitution method. Substitution method means if any questions not in direct formula form, so we can suppose, we can substitute the value. Means already you have no remind about the differentiation. So many formulas, so many questions we have to solve. already solved with the help of this methods. Clear? Then question number 1 here. If integration of ax plus b power n dx. Clear? We don't have integration of this value direct, because we have formula of x power n is equal to what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Understood? Whatever variable is here, x variable, here x power n means remembers and differentiation outer and inner function. Chain rule. Clear? Chain rule means outer and inner function. Same things here. X power n. X power n. Clear? It means here, suppose x is the inner function, n is the outer function. Now, let x plus b is equal to suppose t here. Clear? Theta, t, any numbers we can suppose. Now, going to differentiate both the side with respect to what? T here. Then, d by, clear? D by dt of ax plus b is equal to what? D by dt of t. A constant, d by dt of x plus b 0 is equal to dt by dt, means dt upon dt. A here, dx upon dt is equal to what? 1. Now a dx is equal to dt. Understood? Therefore, dx is equal to what? dt by a. Once more, because this substitution methods is very most important for you. Ax plus b is equal to t. Now, differentiating both the side with respect to this variable. If t is there, with respect to t. Theta is there with respect to theta. Understood? Then here, ax plus b, a constant, x with respect to t means dx by dt, and dt by dt means 1. Last one, b can find the value of dx in the terms of dt. Understood? But it is not compulsory all the question we will write this type. We can write direct also here. Direct means like this one here. Suppose this is t. Let x plus b is equal to t. What is the differentiation of this side with respect to x? Very short methods I am going to tell. This is legal method, whatever given in your book. But this is lengthy, very lengthy. What is the differentiation of this side with respect to x? Because x is variable here. A constant, x is 1, b is 0. Into dx write down. Because x is there, write dx here. What is the differentiation of t with respect to t? 1 only. And write here dt also. Means if x is there, write dx here at last. If t is here, write dt here at last. Now we can find here dx is equal to what? dt by a. You can check. You can see. This is very short method, simple methods. This is very lengthy methods. Clear? But this method given in your book. This is not given in your book. But you can take this one because both are same here. Understood? Now, if we suppose given function is t or theta, from here we can find dx in the terms of dt. Now, going to put here integration of this is equal to what? T here. T power n. What is value of dx in the terms of dt? dt by a means 1 by a constant t power n dt is equal to what? Now we have formula. Dx power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. T power n dt is equal to what? T power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and plus c. Now at last this t we have to change into x form. Why? Because given question in x form, that's why answer should be also in x form. What is value of t? 1 by a ax plus b power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Now this is the answer. Understood? Don't confuse. Very simple. Suppose t, find the value of dx in the terms of dt. After that we can integrate After integrating integration, we can put the value of t